single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something.
Hi friends, it's me Jinan.
Hi friends, it's me Jan.
Today I'm going to make an origami kite flicker. Let's see how it flies. Want to know how to fold? Let's go. Okay, let's start. For making the kite flicker, we need an A4 sheet. But if you make with printed paper, it will go faster. So I am saying you to make with a printed paper. So let's start. This is a square paper. We are making the flicker with a square paper. So if you don't have square paper, make it from an A4 sheet. Now let's start. First, fold the paper in half. Make with the printed side. So it will go inside and this side will come out. Now unfold. Now fold this edge to this edge. Now unfold. Then fold the right corner to this line. If you are right-handed, fold the right corner, and if you are left-handed, fold the left corner. I am a right-handed, so I am folding the right corner. And make sure that the fold goes to this point. Like that, and unfold. Now fold this edge up to this intersection. Here is the point. Then fold this edge to this line. Make sure that the fold goes to this corner, this point. Now fold this flap. Now fold this edge to this line, this edge to this line. Make sure this line aligns with this line. Okay, now fold this edge to this line. Okay, now fold this edge up to this line. Now fold this edge to this edge, this line. Now fold this edge up like this. The fold should go to this point and this point. This point. Okay, like this. Now fold this flap, this line to this line. Make sure the fold goes to this corner. Now fold this flap upside like this. Now unfold this flap and unfold this flap. Now fold this flap up to this line. Okay, now the last step is open this pocket and fold this flap inside this pocket. Okay, now our kite flicker is ready. Now I will show you how to fly this kite flicker. Is this a kite flicker?
Yes, kite flicker.
Okay, I will show you how to fly this. This is the upside and this the down. So hold this side and hit this long edge. If you like this kite flicker, like my video and comment your suggestions in the comment box. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
I forgot one thing. If you want to make this 4-pointed ninja star, press here. And if you want to make the origami 8-pointed ninja star, press here.